Hello guys, welcome to Kap Industries. This video is the installation video for the NB MX5 or Miata fire extinguisher bracket from Kap Industries. There are two varieties of brackets, one for the left hand side and one for the right hand side of the vehicle. So it doesn't matter where you live, whether you are in America with right hand drive cars or left hand drive cars, it doesn't matter, you can just select one of the ones you want. The installation procedure is very easy. You just undo the two front seat bolts, lift the front of the seat up, slide the bracket under and put the bolts back in. I installed this type of fire extinguisher. As you can see, it has two latches and you can get that off our website at Kap Industries as well. Or if you're in a different country, you can get them from Amazon or eBay, different areas like that. So I'll show you how to do it right now. The tools you'll need is just a 14mm socket, an extension and a ratchet, and a couple of 8mm spanners so that you can use the supplied hardware to install your fire extinguisher. Start by removing the two front seat bolts. Then attach the cage of the extinguisher to the bracket and bolt it on. Once your extinguisher cage is installed on the bracket, then just lift the front of the seat up and slide the whole bracket underneath the legs of the seat and then line it up with the holes and put the bolts back in and tighten it down. Then just slip the extinguisher into its cage.